Hello students, so in the last period we studied about cross coefficient if they are equal, then how to solve this kind of example. I shall remind you the methods of solving linear equation in two variable. See, we studied here that elimination by substitution we studied in 9th standard, equating coefficient we studied in 9th standard as well as in 10th standard also. Then there is a Cramer's rule method which we are going to study in the further part. Now we are going to learn today, it is about graphical method. So write down the title here, that is nothing but solution of LE So here you will have to write the title, that is graphical method. So in standard 9 we studied how to plot the graph of the equation. Still we will revise that part in 10th standard. So write down title there, to plot the graph of LE. Plot the graph of LE. You must remember this, that what is this LE? LE, that is nothing but linear equation. And if you remember, we studied a different conditions why this equation is called linear equation. So in this word linear, we find one of the name of the diagram. What is this? It is nothing but line. Therefore, the equation in the format Ex plus Dy is equal to C. If we plot the graph of this equation, you will get a straight line. Therefore, also this equation is called linear equation. This you can remember very well. Is that clear? So, to plot the graph of LE, it means that to draw the line and how to get the line. This part we are going to learn in the today's period. So, when you see the equation, linear equation in two variable, to plot the graph, you will get three kind of equation. What are these three kind of equation? I shall put here. So we will get here three kind of equation. See, what are these three kind of equation? First, it is coefficient of x and y. Both has got 1. That is example number 1 here. X has got coefficient 1, y has got coefficient 1. Here let us have second example. Coefficient of one variable is not equal to 1. One of the variable will have not equal to 1 means here, and one of the variable will have coefficient 1. Here you may get 3 or even 4, or you can have here 5. Even you can have -2, -3. This kind of any real number you can get. And one of the variable has got coefficient is equal to 1. Or sometime what may happen is, you may get here also x has got coefficient 1 plus 2y is equal to 10 or something like that. Understood? And in the third case, that is both variable has not got coefficient 1. Not 1, here also it is not 1, it is other than 1. Then how to get how to plot the graph of this all three kind of equation, that we will see. We will move further. See, I wrote the same examples here, that is plus y is equal to 5. Okay, so after getting this y is equal to, what I will have to do is, the next part, this part we already studied in 9th standard. So here Since we selected here y is equal to 5 minus x, so I selected x is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Straight away it is better you select 1, 2, 3 only. You will get answer easily. You can select actually any number here, but better you select 1, 2 and 3. तो बघा 1, 2 आणि 3 तीनच व्हॅल्यू घेऊन काढलात तरी चालेल प्रत्येक वेळी. तुम्ही तिथली व्हॅल्यू चेंज सुद्धा करू शकता. पण सोपं जावं म्हणून आपण 1, 2, 3 घेऊया. ओके, सो लेट अस प्रोसीड हियर. What will happen here? 5 minus x. It means that x is equal to 1, no? So it will become 5 minus 1, which will give you 4. Again, if it is 2, then x is equal to 2. If you substitute here, it will give 3. Same way here, it will give you 2. So let us see for the second example here. What is the second example? Y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Remember? Y is equal to 10 minus 2x. So this will come here also. Y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Y is equal to 10 minus 2x. So the way we substituted x in the first equation, same way here it will give you 10 minus 2 into bracket 10 minus 2 into value of x and 10 minus 2 into value of x. So what's the value of x we said here? Here it is 1, here it is 2 and here it is 3. And see what's the result? 10 minus 2, 10 minus 4 and here 10 minus 6. Final result is 8, 6, 4. So what I am getting here? For value of x, I received value of y 8. Second value I received 6 and third value I received 4. So in every example for 3 values of x you will get 3 values of y. Now that is the special example. Exactly what is to be done there, that part we'll see now. By that time you note down this. Okay, so as I said, you pay attention here. That is a special example. Why it has got special example there? Because I am getting here that is nothing but y is equal to, along with the denominator I am getting this value. See, y is equal to 5 minus 3x upon 2. This is what I have here. So, if you select straight away for x is equal to 1, 2, 3, then what shall happen here? Just see. So, as I told you, you can select x is equal to 1. So, if it is selected 1, then what will happen? This will become 3 into 1. 3 into 1, it will give you 3. And negative 5, negative 3, it will give you negative 8 divided by 2. This will give you answer. So, 1 is valid value. Let us use 2. If it is used 2 here, then this will become 3 to the 6, then negative 5 minus 6, it will give negative 11 divided by 2, which will not get the answer. Is that clear? So, if it is used here like this, that is nothing but if it is used here, that is nothing but x is equal to 2 if it is used. Then what will happen, that I shall do. But before that, I will complete for x is equal to 1. Let us complete this work. So what will happen there? So it will give you negative 5 minus 3 into divided by 2. I will copy this. This will help me. Okay, see. So here x is equal to 1. Then what is the result here? It is equal to negative 5 minus 3 upon 2. Negative 8 upon 2. It is negative 4. Is that clear? So I got here answer. Let us go to the next one. The way it is earlier written for x is equal to 2. Then what will happen? I need to substitute here 2. Then what will be the result here? It will give you negative 5 minus 6 upon 2, which will give you negative 11 upon 2, and which will give you answer 5.5, which is not proper to select. Therefore, to avoid this, इथे आता काय होतं आहे 11 upon 2 येत आहे, म्हणजे 11 ला 2 ने डिवाइड नाही होत आहे. इट इज नॉट डिव्हिजिबल बाय 2. देअरफॉर त्यासाठी आपण काय करायचं? यू विल हॅव टू सिलेक्ट नंबर हियर. इथे तुम्हाला असा नंबर आला पाहिजे जो 2 ने डिवाइड होणारा पाहिजे. त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला इथला नंबर चेंज करावा. सो लेट अस हॅव नेक्स्ट ट्रायल ओव्हर देअर. ट्राय करत राहायचं. पुढचा घ्या. 2 इथे आता चालणार नाही. समजा मी इथे आता 3 घेतलं तर काय होणार त्याचा विचार करायचा. 3 घेतलं तर काय होणार? इथे 3 येणार. 3 3 चा काय येणार? इथे 9 येणार. and negative 9 plus 5 negative 14 होणार. This will be divisible by 2. Therefore 3 will help you there. So that part we will do there. That is nothing but it is equal to 3. So let us start. So what I told you, what will help you here? So it is equal to 3. So right here it is equal to 3, and the result is negative 5 minus 9 upon 2, negative 14 upon 2, that is equal to negative 7. Isn't it? Same way you get the value of x is equal to the next value you will have to get there. So you try there for that next value. So x is equal to 4 also will not help you there. So x is equal to 5, or even you can take x is equal to negative 1. If it is selected negative 1, just say what will be the result here. So here you have to substitute negative 1. Then here you will have to get, see, you will have to select 1, then you select negative 1, you select 2, then you select negative 2, you select 3, then you select negative 3. That way you go on checking, and whichever is convenient, that you will have to apply there. So here this negative will become positive 3 upon 2. So it is negative 2 upon 2, which will give you result negative 1. Isn't it? So in this way I will get the answers. So note on this. Now see what has happened here. Here I received for 3 values of x, everywhere for 3 values of x I received 3 values of y. See, same way. Here is the value of y. This also has got value of y. This is also value of y. So what you are supposed to do is x, y and x and y. So here below you will have to frame a table like this. Let us put the table here. So here you will have to write the value of x. Okay, so students, if you fill these values, that is nothing but x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. So it is 1, 4, it means that 1, 4. Same way here 2, 3, 3, 2. For that equation also you will have to prepare that table which we studied in 9th standard. I will not take much time on that. So you will get this type of table. For x plus y is equal to 5, you will get this table, and for 2x plus y is equal to 10, you will get this table, and for this third equation you will get another table that you will have to prepare on your own. Let us see now for this table how to plot the graph. So let us take example of graph here. This is nothing but the graph page. So this is nothing but one of the graph page, and here this is what we received, table. So what you have to do is, with the help of this table, you have to plot the points there with using pencil. So let us put the Let us plot the points using pencil. What is the first point? 1, 4. So x1 and y is 4. It means that it will come here somewhere. So what do you do? You put a circle around it, and you have to write there, that is 1, 4. Let us select another point, that is 2, 3. Here it is 2 and 3 is present here. So here is the point. You have to just show that point, and you have to write that 2, 3. Notice nice? 3, 2. 3, 2 it comes here. Let us see how to get the graph of this equation. So here is the equation. This is the equation, and let us plot here. You remember how to draw this? Here it is. X dash, here it is y dash, and you don't forget to write this also. That is nothing but scale on both the axes. It is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So after getting this table, you will have to draw this way x and y axis, and then what is the first point? 1, 8. So 1, 8. It is here. Second, 2, 6. It comes here, and 3, 4. And then again, using the scale, same way, you will set your scale properly here. And then draw this. In this way, you will get a line. And this equation, one more thing, 1, 8. Let us write here 1, 8. Better you put these coordinates here. So you will understand exactly which coordinates are shown, or which points are shown at which place. So if something is missing over there, then easily you will understand. So this is the equation of graph of 2x plus y 10. So here you will write 2x plus y is equal to 10. Is that clear? So in this way, you must able to draw the graph of the equation, and then what we'll have to do is how to get the solution. That part we'll see in the next period. So for time being, what you do? You will whichever examples you have solved in 1.1, practice set 1.1, those equations you will have to use and frame this type of table and just plot their lines. Is that clear? So this work you will have to do at home, and after that we will see exactly how to get the solution.